Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now in London and I'm staying at W Hotel London this time for work. This location is very central. Is just in front of the Chinatown and right close to the Piccadilly Circus. And the reason why I choose this hotel is because I have to go to the Excel for convention, and then this one is very close to the Elizabeth line, which I can take a direct train directly to Custom House. So anyway, just giving you a quick room tour. This is going to be very quick because it's just a spectacular room. So the design is very interesting. That they have the mirror, the washing bin and everything outside, but they also make it like a work desk here, an extended area with a chair. So basically I can sit here and do some work. Okay, so a lot of things are quite hidden somewhere, so I'm going to show you. So some cool design here if you like it. Okay, so on this side is two bathrobes and two pair of slippers. Okay, so they also got the umbrella and then the luggage rack. So if I close this out, on this side you will see the coffee machine with 3 capsule and milk and kettle with tea bag and such. So, oops, I guess this cannot be open because, or I have to pull out on the other side in order to open these drawers. Yep, like this, I guess. Okay, anyway, it's just for storage. So just check it out. Okay, so they do have the iron and iron board as well. Well, I am checking things out. Okay, so back here, you can see the amenities kits here with the hair dryers and stuff. Okay, and this is their washing clean. Oh, the cream, and then of course the pan soap. Okay, so now behind all these doors, this one is the toilet, and then the shower is actually hidden here. So they do have the rain shower, and this is the normal amenities kit. Very interesting. So they hide everything in like a wardrobe, but actually this is the washroom and the shower. Okay, so this is their W mix bar. Of course, everything you have to pay for, but everything is here, you know, with the snack and also the different kind of wine that you can mix it yourself for cocktails. Okay, so now over here is the bed, which is quite low in a way. The mattress is good, the pillow is good, the bedboard is good. You know, it's kind of the mood light, but I'm glad that it's quite bright. Actually, I like this room because it's quite bright. And then I'm on the 5th floor. And actually this is not a very tall hotel. I think they only got like 7th floor, so I request high floors already up here. So my room is facing kind of the street, but is the better part that is not as noisy already. So which is pretty good. Okay, and then the chair and stuff. Okay, so before I go, I just want to show you everything is controlled via this pad. So you can see, you know, I check in room 514. The room control is here, so to control the light and temperature. The television is here. So I just turned off the sound for my room tour, but I was watching BBC News. And then the entertainment, the dining, spa. Okay, so everything is here. It's controlled by this pad, which is next to the bed. Yep. So I think that's pretty much it. The outlet, they do have the outlet, but you have to have the adapter. So actually they do have an adapter here. So in case you forget to bring, you can borrow this adapter and can use it while you are here. So that's pretty good. So far so good. I'm going to be here for 3 nights for the conference. And then because I'm the Marriott Bonvoy Platinum Elite, I can have breakfast. So I'm going to show you the breakfast as well. So here I am. Just follow me. This is W Hotel London. Thank you.
It's the artist that's studying the car.
You're welcome. I will leave your menu.